Good afternoon, classroom 3. Today we are doing May 12th. Now for ELA, social emotional, you are going to read nursery rhyme Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill, Miss Hiana did post on our YouTube channel last week, so you could go back and look at the same video, Jack and Jill. And for ELA, social emotional, you're going to name some friends and write a letter to your best friend. So you could try to write a letter, or maybe if you don't want to write, draw a picture for your best friend. Okay, you could draw a picture, and if you want to write something, you can. For math, you're doing game 125. Move and say. We did this game for May 6th. On May 6th, but you could go back. We did attach it. Move and say. And move and say is actually, here we go. It's down here. And it's just, doing a little obstacle course. But for math, you're going to concentrate on saying position words such as around, inside, next to, behind. So those are examples of position words you'll have your child do while they do the obstacle course. So that's what we're going to concentrate on, position words, to get them familiar with um more position words. So remember, we have some examples right here. You can use like walk next to the box, jump away, go inside the box, go under the table. We're using position words for math. And for science and social studies, you are to talk about what are some rules we can follow at home to be safe. Call a family member and get family rules. So you can sit with your family and come up with rules. Usually, in class, we go with only 3 rules because we know that children, you know, can't take a lot of rules. So we do 3 rules, which is the number, it's the age. The age, maybe most of them turn to 4, so you may could do 4 rules in the house and simple rules that they may could follow and remember. So you could just do like rules in the house. And I know most of you probably already have rules, but it's just something to go over. And that's for science and social studies. And for physical education, this is a repeated activity. You're going to do game 144, copy each other. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go down to the game. You are going to do the parents can do, or you can have the symbol in. Do a movement, and the child have to say what movement you are doing. So it's an imitation game with your child, saying your action as you do them. Let's go things you can do. So right here, perform an action as you say or sing a verse. You could say I can, you can, hop, hop, hop. So if when you will do it first, and then the child will repeat after you, and hopping and saying I can, you can, hop, hop, hop. So that's just an example, or you could say I can jump, I cannot, and the child has to repeat after you and do the action. I can jump and I cannot. So that's for physical education. And they give you examples of what to say on the form. And that's all the activities today. If you have any questions or concerns, as you know, you can reach out to me. Thanks.